In today's digital age, social media has become an integral part of our lives. From sharing photos and videos to expressing opinions, social media platforms have revolutionized the way we connect with others. As a business owner or marketer, it is crucial not to overlook the power of user-generated content, UGC, in shaping your social media strategy. UGC refers to any content created by users of a product or service, such as reviews, testimonials, photos, and videos. Leveraging UGC can transform your social media presence and help you build a strong brand identity. Here are 5 ways UGC can benefit your business. Builds trust and credibility. One of the biggest challenges businesses face on social media is gaining trust from their audience. With so many brands competing for attention online, consumers have become more skeptical about traditional advertising methods. This is where UGC comes into play. It provides authentic experiences shared by real customers. When potential customers see positive reviews or testimonials from others who have used your product or service successfully, they are more likely to trust your brand and make a purchase themselves. According to research conducted by Bright Local, 88% of consumers trust online reviews as much as personal recommendations. Increases engagement. Engagement is key when it comes to building an active community on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. By incorporating UGC into your content strategy, you can encourage followers to actively participate in discussions related to your brand. For instance, you could create a hashtag campaign that encourages users to share their experiences using your product or service with a specific hashtag. This not only increases engagement but also helps spread awareness about your brand organically. Provides valuable insights. User-generated content offers invaluable insights into what resonates with your target audience, their preferences and interests. By monitoring UGC, you can gain a deeper understanding of your customers' needs and desires. For example, analyzing comments on social media posts or reviews can provide valuable feedback about what aspects of your product or service are appreciated and what areas need improvement. This information can then be used to refine your offerings and enhance customer satisfaction. Expands reach. One of the most significant advantages of UGC is its potential for virality. When users create content related to your brand and share it with their networks, it exposes your business to a wider audience beyond your immediate followers. By encouraging users to tag your brand in their posts or run contests that require participants to share UGC, you increase the chances of reaching new potential customers who may have never heard about you otherwise. Humanizes your brand. In today's digital landscape, consumers crave authenticity more than ever before. They want to connect with brands on a personal level rather than being bombarded by generic advertisements. User-generated content humanizes your brand by showcasing real people using and enjoying your products or services. It allows potential customers to see themselves reflected in the experiences shared by others, making them feel more connected and inclined towards choosing your brand over competitors. In conclusion, user-generated content has become an essential element in any successful social media strategy. From building trust and credibility through authentic experiences shared by real customers to increasing engagement levels within communities online, leveraging UGC offers numerous benefits for businesses aiming to establish a strong online presence. By incorporating UGC into their marketing efforts, brands can gain valuable insights into customer preferences while expanding reach far beyond their immediate follower base. Furthermore, UGC humanizes brands by allowing consumers to connect with them on a personal level, ultimately leading towards increased loyalty and conversions. So don't ignore user-generated content. Embrace it as an integral part of shaping an effective social media strategy that will transform how you engage with existing customers while attracting new ones.